Gardening with coffee. Coffee grounds and brewed coffee offer various benefits in gardening. Soil amendment. Used coffee grounds can be mixed into the soil to add organic matter, improving soil structure and water retention. Compost. Add coffee grounds to compost piles or bins. They are a source of nitrogen, beneficial for the composting process. Fertilizer. Sprinkle used coffee grounds around plants as a mild, slow-release fertilizer. They contain nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. Worm food. In vermicomposting bins, worms love coffee grounds, which can be a valuable food source for them. Pest deterrent. Coffee grounds can be sprinkled around plants to deter pests like ants, snails, and slugs. Acidify soil. Coffee grounds can slightly acidify soil, beneficial for acid-loving plants like blueberries, rhododendrons, and azaleas. Mulch. Used coffee grounds can be used as a mulch around plants, though it's best to mix them with other organic materials to prevent them from forming a solid crust. Liquid fertilizer. Leftover brewed coffee can be diluted with water, usually in a 1:1 ratio, and used to water plants, giving them a nutrient boost. Seed germination. Some gardeners believe that soaking seeds in weak coffee can help with germination, although this is anecdotal and not widely practiced. Natural dye. Coffee can be used to dye natural fabrics for garden projects or crafts. Odor neutralizer. In compost bins or piles, coffee grounds can help neutralize strong odors. When using coffee in gardening, consider the following. Ensure the coffee grounds have cooled before application. If using on indoor plants, make sure the grounds are dry to prevent mold growth. Be cautious about using too much, as excessive coffee grounds can compact or alter the soil's pH significantly. Check that the grounds are free from added flavors or additives that might not be garden-friendly. Thanks for watching and subscribe.